So with number 16, it says, which of the following expressions is equivalent to x to the 2/3 power? Now, 2/3 is really the same as 2 times 1/3. Now, why is that important? Well, we could think of this as x to the 2 times 1/3 power. Now, how do you get exponents to be multiplied? The way you do that is you have an exponent on top of another exponent. And so you could think of this like this, x squared to the 1/3. That gives you x to the 2 times 1/3, which is the same as x to the 2/3. Now, none of that looks like that. And so the question really is, what does this mean? What does the 1/3 power mean? What it means is it means the cube root. And so what you can do is you can say, well, wait a minute, this is the cube root of whatever is inside. So that means we're taking the cube root of x squared. And so that gives us an answer of k. Now, one way you can guess and check your way through this problem is, if you don't know that the 1/3 power is cube root, you can still do this. And the way you can do that is you can use your calculator. And you do that by saying, all right, let's pick a number for x. Let's call it 4. So on the calculator, let's see what 4 to the 2/3 power is. It's about 2.519. All right. So we're looking for which of these answers is going to give me 2.519. So let's try this one. So 4 squared divided by 3. Nope. That doesn't work. Let's try the next one. X times 2, so that's 4 times 2 divided by 3. Again, we're looking for 2.519. So nope, didn't work. Here, we want the square root of x cubed. So I'm taking 4 to the 3rd power, and then we're going to take the square root of that. And we get 8, not 2.519. And here we have the cube root of x. Now, most calculators have a cube root command put in there. So cube root of 4 is 1.587, and that does not work either. So by process of elimination, that brings us down and leaves us with just k. So if you didn't know that the cube root was the 1/3 power, use substitution. Just plug in a number, figure out what this is equal to, and then figure out which answer equals that. Now, had we come up with 2 or more answers that gave us a value that was correct, then we'd have to change the number and try again with just the ones that we narrowed down. So for number 16, the answer is K.